Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I delivered a lecture on question number 2. Verify X union into Y union Z is equal to X union Y is equal to X union Y into union Z. First we find the left hand side, X union into Y union Z. First we solve bracket. Y union Z is equal to 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Write the value of set of Y first, then the symbol of the union, then write the value of set Z. 5 element of set Z, 5, 6, 7, 8. So X union Z is equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both value write in a one set, X union Z. Then we find X union into Y union Z. First write the element of set X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Then write the symbol of union. Then write the set of Y union Z. Element of set Y union Z 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. X union into Y union Z is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then find the right hand side, X union Y into union Z. So first find the bracket values now. X union Y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10, and then write the symbol of union. Then write the element of set Y 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now X union Y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now X union Y into union Z is equal to, first write the value of X union Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10. Then write the symbol of union. Then write the element of set Z 5, 6, 7, 8. Now X union Y into union Z is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Prove that.